This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get time limits off your phone. First, you'll need to access your device's screen time management features. This is typically found in your phone's main settings menu. Be ready to input your device passcode or any specific screen time passcode you've set up. We'll walk through the common steps for both major operating systems, ensuring you can regain full control over your device usage without restrictions. For Apple devices, begin by opening your Settings app and finding Screen Time. From there, you'll see options like app limits or content and privacy restrictions. If you have an app limit, tap on App Limits, select the specific app or category, and then choose Delete Limit. For content restrictions, you might need to toggle off specific categories or features. Remember, your screen time passcode will be required to make these changes. On Android phones, the process starts in Settings, then Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Within this section, look for the dashboard to see your app timers. Each app with a limit will have a small hourglass icon next to it. Tap this icon, and you'll be given the option to delete timer. This action will instantly remove the time restriction for that particular application, giving you unlimited access. Before you finalize removing all limits, remember that the correct passcode is essential. If parental controls are active, the parent's device or account might be needed. Once limits are off, take a moment to reflect on your screen time habits. You might consider setting new, more flexible boundaries for yourself, perhaps using built-in features like focus mode or do not disturb to manage interruptions rather than strict time limits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.